Parents, do your kids have the Mojiit app? Well, this app is pronounced Mojiit, but remove the E. We're going to show you what this app does and how it works. First of all, Mojiit Marketing says, Moji yourself. Mojiit is the first augmented reality social platform. Tap the eye icon to record. You see that in the bottom center. Next, tap the friends bubble to share your message. Tap the bubble to open your message, and users receive your message in an augmented 3D space, as you can see in the bottom right. Now, what is the Mojiit app? Well, the Mojiit app is a social network where users create and share animated avatars using augmented reality. Using their phone's camera, users take videos of themselves which turn into an avatar, basically a three-dimensional version of them. Users create, dress, and style their three-dimensional digital versions of them called the avatars. Now, using their avatar, users communicate with their friends on the app. Users record messages that track their voice and facial movements and send those messages to friends. Now, what is it and how does it work? Well, different animations can be used for avatars. The 3D avatar mimics the user's voice and movements. Augmented reality is used to place the avatar in real places around the world. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to talk to you about forwarding this video to your school, your principal, your superintendent, so they can use our Parent University program for your whole community and teach kids the positive and safe way to be online. It also comes with Footprint Friday, a tool that helps you monitor your kids online each week for 5 minutes. Now, why should parents care about the Mojiit app? Well, the Mojiit app is in the top 50 most popular social media apps list on the App Store as of the recording of this video. Since the app is new, most parents might not have heard about it yet, but some teens who don't know or don't like the new Snapchat update, ask your kids about it, they're using this app, the Mojiit app, instead. Now, Mojiit uses geolocation and encourages users to go to certain locations nearby. Geolocation features, as you know, can be very dangerous for teens and tweens because strangers nearby can find the student's mostly exact location. Now, why should parents care? Well, vendors are using emojis on the app to sell physical products. Some students may not be aware that some emojis are advertisements. Some users report having trouble getting in contact with the developers when they experience issues on the app. Understand these apps need to make money, and so they'll work in any way to do so. Now, here's what CNBC says. Mojiit has previously said Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak was also involved with the project, but Wozniak has since denied the connection, saying conflicts ruled out even an advisory position. Yahoo Finance says Steve Wozniak declined to be involved with Mojiit the day after the meeting with the founder, but Mojiit nonetheless put out a press release on August 16th announcing the advisorship. Now, here's what real users are saying. I purchased this app with excitement. However, the app doesn't allow me to advance or get past the share with friends page. So they're working on it still. Revolutionary, says some person. Consider Snapchat dead after downloading this app. This may be a fake review. We don't know, but I want to show you them all. Really like the concept of the app. Definitely better than Snapchat and Bitmoji. Now, that could be because of the recent update. And I want you to talk to your kids about that, or I want you to go into Parent University to learn about the Snapchat update that's upsetting students. Now, what can you do as a parent? Well, teach your students about the dangers of geolocation features. Remind your student to never meet strangers in person who they met online. Instruct your student to ask for permission before downloading new apps. This is all stuff you learn in Parent University, and instead of you being the bad person, we do that. We show your students with you sitting beside them. Now, when you're ready for your student to be online, work with them to use the apps that positively impact their digital footprint. Check out our parent app guide page on SmartSocial.com. Consider using the apps in our green zone. And if your kids are in the gray zone, make sure you're on those apps with them. Be on those apps with your kids, no matter what they're using. That includes Snapchat. Now, what can parents do? Before giving your teen access to a device, create a family cell phone safety contract. Consider joining Parent University to get our family cell phone safety contract and video that you can personalize for your family. Now let's take a look at Parent University that protects people all over the country. Forward this to your school, superintendent, technology director. Our Parent University approach is different on SmartSocial. First, we teach kids how to build a positive profile before they need to, showing them how to shine online. And that's unique. Now, next, we teach them how to be safe online. We believe that protecting parents and students from predators and attackers is of very, very big importance. And then next, we have anti-bullying. We show students how to look out for each other and report an issue. A lot of prevention in there. Now, here's our tutorials, basically lumped into safety videos. This is what parents watch with their kids to teach them good and bad behaviors, middle school, junior high, and some high school. And also elementary. Now that we have smart videos, tutorials your kids watch and use to understand the positive use of apps to build their online footprint. Instagram, Facebook, any app that whether they're on or not, we teach them how to use it with a purpose instead of a pastime. Next, prevention videos. Videos parents watch without their kids to learn safety issues and dialogue tips to work with their kids so they're not the bad parent, but rather they're protecting their kids. Gone are the days of giving your kid a phone and hoping that you see if there's an issue. Issues are coming up every day, and we want you to bring your kids up to speed using these tutorial buckets that we have. Now, once you log in, parents, you have an Instagram tutorial in the upper left that you watch. You deep dive into how the hidden parts of Instagram, the hidden parts of Snapchat that your kids don't want to tell you, and Snapchat's a really bad one. Family cell phone contract, and then we have how to set up the good networks. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. These are ones you watch with your kids. Next, you watch these with your junior high, middle school, and elementary kids. Basically, a lot of safety videos that make them wise. And then parent training videos. Watch these videos, get up to speed on what your kids know and how to protect them. And then you get a free copy of all of my books in Parent University. You get a chance to join our Facebook group to ask questions. And you get an invite to Footprint Friday. Our team built this tool to teach parents exactly how colleges will search, employers will search, and it lets you monitor your kids each week in 5 minutes or less. So here's what you get. Safety videos you watch with your kids, smart videos, tutorials your kids use to have a purpose online, prevention videos, videos parents watch without their kids to learn and get ahead of their kids, dialogue tips to work with your kids. You get Footprint Friday, and you get a Facebook group for support. You ask questions and get feedback from parents and educators. Guys, I hope you'll join Parent University. I'm Josh Oakes, and I couldn't be more honored for you to be a part of this. This Mojiit app is one of the many apps that we think are a little scary, and I truly hope that you'll become a part of our family here at SmartSocial, so we can become the one-stop shop for you to know how to be safe and smart online, to how to make sure you know how to talk with your kids and not work against them, to how to make sure that you know what the best tips are to make sure your kid is building a positive online presence that's going to help them with their future. And that's our mission for you, is to get your kids into their dream career. We're going to also get them into their dream college. We're also going to keep them safe online. I'm Josh Oakes. Couldn't be more thankful for you being a part of our family at SmartSocial.com. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have a friend that might be interested, go ahead and comment with their name below. Also, join us on SmartSocial.com. Listen to our podcast every week. I'm interviewing experts to try and protect your kids. I'm Josh with SmartSocial.com. As always, keep it light, bright, and polite. I'll see you soon.